Okay, so I just got this in the mail. I want to do a video on this. This is what I bought for med supplies in addition to some stuff I already have. I'm going to do a video eventually on my gear with this packed into it, but I wanted to do a video kind of going through this and seeing what I got for 130 bucks. So I already pulled those out. Those are what, 5 trauma dressings. Those are cool. This looks like Band-Aids and pill bottles. Sorry, trying to figure out how to hold the phone. Looks like I got a pair of scissors, tweezers, that sort of shit. This is the M17 repack kit that Amazon sells. A couple of those. Stethoscope. Elastic bandage, 2-inch sew, like ace bandages. It came in that cardboard box and then in this plastic bag. Another one of those. Cold packs, because I guess those are handy. Oh, it's thundering here again. For some reason, it keeps raining here. It's not raining anywhere else, though. I'm not going to say what I know about that, but I know something about that. Basically, the weather gods. I don't know how to put this. They control the weather with HARP or whatever, right? What's currently going on with the heat in this country and the rain just around Tulsa is I started focusing my will on other shit instead of on some things. And then the main thing that I've been focusing my meditation on for the last week has been upping the temperature of the planet. And I know that's like, what the fuck? Yeah. I don't know if there's anything to all of this or not, but I'm trying to fight a war of like positive and negative thought and wizardry with fucking the American government. Because honestly, I think that has about as much chance as anything else. It's not that I'm crazy, it's that I really like weed, and I think it turns you into a wizard, maybe. I don't know. Bunch of abdominal pads. This is useful shit. So that orange thing there is an airway. It will, if you put that in someone's mouth, you can secure their breathing. Splint. Burn spray. But I'm going to buy better shit than that. So, eye wash. Handy to have. I'm not sure why we have that huge thing of ace bandages and yet more ace bandages, but those will come in handy. Overall, I think this is... I don't know. I don't know if this is worth 130 bucks. It is a lot of shit all in one thing. If this had a bag with it for 130 bucks, I'd say it was great. I don't know if I would buy this. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think this is $130 worth of meds? Okay. No. I kind of think it's more like 75 bucks. That's what I see here. It is convenient. I think that's some of what you're paying for, and like it's packed well. Because like some of this shit, this is how I would pack this stuff pretty much. So I think that's part of it, is that you can just buy this and know that you're getting this. I'm happy I bought it, but I don't think I would buy another one. That's my review of the M17 repack kit. It's good shit, but I think you could get a better deal somewhere else. Thanks for watching.